If you want to switch off your iPad without power button and even volume button too, I have 3 ways. First one, ask Siri. Hey Siri, turn off iPad. If you say confirm to power off, then it will turn off your iPad. If it doesn't work, number 2, open settings, scroll down, open general, end, shut on. Then if you swipe like this, then your iPad will be turned off. If still it doesn't work, means you need this OTG. If your iPad charging port was type C, you need this type C OTG. If it's a lightning port, you need this lightning OTG. I will leave the Amazon link in the description. If you want, you can buy there. It's iPad 10th gen, so I use this type C OTG. And after this, you need a computer or laptop keyboard and a mouse. And if you doesn't have the keyboard but you have mouse, means you can also do this process. Just watch this video. Okay, now first connect your keyboard USB port into the OTG and just connect like this or this. If it doesn't work, connect like this. Now on your keyboard, just tap space. Now tap enter and enter your iPad screen passcode. If you want to unlock, just like that. Now it's unlocked. Now just unplug this and take your mouse and connect this USB into your OTG and just connect this. It's connected now. Here you can see a cursor. It automatically turned on. Now just to open settings. And if you want to scroll down, just use this roller up and click this. And this is shut on. Just click. Yeah, it is. Long press the left mouse click and move it to the right. If you do this, that's it. Your iPad will be switched off without buttons. And if you want to know how to do this without keyboard, means just watch this video.